Hi, Daffy. Hi, Julia. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Why you go up above a refrigerator? Yes, tell me. Why? What do you want? Where are another cats? Yes. Tell me. Julia. 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 Barfy. 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 Why you go up above a refrigerator? What do you want? Oh, yeah, kitchen. No coming out. Oh, no, dangerous. Dangerous. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Julia, see? Perfy. What did you do? Oh, so dangerous. Yes, yes, yes. Perfy. 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 Oh my God. Here is my kitchen. But all my cats won't come here. Morning. I give breakfast them another place. And I'm here, start for the work, the wash and clean kitchen. Only Julia and the Barfy here. Yes. Not good, Barfy. Barfy enough. Barfy. Barfy. What do you want? What do you want? What do you do? Barfy, what do you do? What do you do? Oh, what do you do? Oh, it's plastic, not good you eat. I give you breakfast. What you want? Eat plastic? Oh, see? Barfy, Barfy. Julia, Julia, a good girl. A good girl. Julia, so Julia. I like you so much. Yes. Hi guys, tell me you have cats and they come all time in the kitchen and want to eat anything you have in the kitchen. Yes? Tell me in the comment. You tell me about your cats. Oh, here freezer, refrigerator. See? Yes, I should go. Thank you. Please watching this video and share this video for your friends and your family. Thank you so much. Please support us, my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye, my guys.